This topic will cover the Vertiv DSView solution MP1000, launching a session. Once you've logged into the web interface, you can view the appliances listed on the Appliance view page. To launch a session, you can click on the desired device, and a menu will pop up on the right-hand side. Depending on the device, you can activate maintenance mode, launch a session to the command line interface, or open the web page of the connected device. You can also open KVM viewer sessions if available. After selecting the Open web page, you'll be prompted to log into the selected device's interface. For this example, I'll select the UMG and select Launch a Session. From here, I can connect to the target of the UMG. If you go back to the home page, you can see the same targets listed on the MP1000. Here, you'll notice a different icon for launching a session and for LED control. When I select this icon to launch a session, this will open a KVM viewer session. Going back, if you want to view any active or closed sessions, you can navigate to the Session tab. Here you can see all of the appliances that were just accessed and are currently open. You can also see which users are currently accessing those tabs. Depending on your privileges, you can also join the session or stop it. You also have the option to export the list. And this will conclude our topic video for launching a session.